It is time for our weekly rate update, and I'm not doing a lot of smiles today. So I am Charlotte Harrill here at Recharge with Champions, and I like to give you guys some good information that you can share out with your sphere so that they know what's going on in the real estate world when it comes to finance. If you will look over here, if you remember, if we're going up on this graph, that means our interest rates are getting better, and every day is one bar. And you can see that we really had an amazing August and September, and even into the middle of September, we were doing really good. But since the middle of September, we have seen major alerts to lock. So that just means that we have seen lots of bad weakening in that mortgage backed security markets, which means your interest rates have unfortunately gone up. So if you look at this graph, you're going to see where I've highlighted right there in the yellow spot. That yellow spot is where we are today. And if you look, we are back to about where we were in the middle to end of June. Than what you quoted back in September. So to September, it's time to give them a call and see what their interest rate is now to make sure that we are qualifying them for a house that is in their price range and that you're shopping for houses that are in their price range, right? That's kind of a big deal. Now, here's the thing. There is a lot of back and forth over what is causing these interest rates to go up, whether or not they're going to stay up. And the question is, what is causing this major increase? What is causing this weakening and the mortgage-backed security? The jobs report is actually a little bit weak, but they are thinking that maybe all of these weak reports are specifically due to all the storms that we had earlier. So they're thinking that maybe it is not as weak as the reports are showing. So does that mean the rates are going to continue to go up? Who knows? Are they going to go down? Who knows? Remember that interest rates really do change based on your credit score, your loan amount, where you are, your down payment, what loan type you're doing, what type of house you're buying. So many things, and even your debt ratio. Crazy things go into what makes your interest rate your interest rate. So call your mortgage professional, get a quote so that you can know about where you are at when you are shopping for houses this week. Now, the good news is we are seeing houses stick around on the market a little bit longer. So for your home buyers that are out there looking for a house, you might actually have some decent inventory to go look at and pick from. You might even be able to get the sellers to pay some of your closing costs, right? So there are some give and takes when the market is a little bit softer when it comes to interest rates. Houses don't fly off the shelf. So maybe our home buyers can find a house this weekend. Good luck. Happy house hunting. And as always, I appreciate you watching Returning with Champions, and make sure and follow for Monday for some tips for your credit work.